Are you ready to revolutionize your HVAC maintenance process? Discover how digital tools can bring efficiency and precision to your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system upkeep. Learn how eAuditor can streamline your maintenance tasks from start to finish. HVAC maintenance involves regular servicing, inspection, and cleaning of systems. It ensures optimal performance, energy efficiency, and longevity. Preventive measures help avoid breakdowns and identify potential issues early. Maintaining indoor air quality and comfort is crucial. Regular upkeep leads to system reliability and cost savings. Gather necessary tools and safety equipment like gloves and glasses. Ensure your device has the eAuditor app installed and ready. Import a pre-designed HVAC maintenance checklist or create a tailored one. Schedule reminders for recurring tasks to keep your system in peak condition. Preparation is key to successful maintenance. Inspect air filters for dirt or damage and clean or replace as needed. Clean condenser coils to improve cooling efficiency and prevent strain. Check ductwork for obstructions or leaks and log any issues. eAuditor's checklist ensures no component is overlooked. Document findings for a thorough inspection process. Test both heating and cooling cycles for efficiency. Measure airflow and temperature levels, logging values in eAuditor. Check refrigerant levels and test for leaks. Monitor for unusual noises or vibrations during operation. Document any irregularities for further investigation and ensure optimal performance. We will cover: add photos, notes, and videos to highlight issues. This is your first topic: rate component conditions using preset criteria. This is your second topic: assign corrective actions to technicians with deadlines and priorities. This is your third topic: track progress in real time to ensure timely resolution. Effective documentation and task assignment are crucial for maintenance success. eAuditor transforms HVAC maintenance with digital precision. From preparation to future planning, streamline your workflow for optimal system performance. Embrace the efficiency and accuracy of digital tools for all your maintenance needs.